cost of this signal and analysis for you is to like, comment, share, and subscribe to fuel your passion and keep this channel growing. Trading style, spot trading. Target time frame, approximately 1 month between targets. Entry levels, 0.2335 to 0.2731. Take profit targets. Target 1, 0.3522. Target 2, 0.4074. Target 3, 0.4780. Target 4, 0.5431. Target 5, 0.6038. Stop loss level, 0.1403. Keys to success in trading. Be patient and take your time analyzing the market. Use simple tools like trend lines, price channels, and support and resistance levels. Trading recommendations. Consider entering the trade after a pullback in price. Stop loss strategy. After reaching each profit target, move your stop loss to your entry price or the previous profit target to lock in profits and limit potential losses if the market changes direction. Disclaimer. This analysis is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. We wish you successful trading.